Hey guys, I have another PS4 cleaning video, so let's check this thing out before I actually start cleaning it. First off the bat, we have plenty of dust right here in the front, coming around the vents too, and right here, and around back, it's all something I don't see too often. The Ethernet port has dust in it. Like, what? How does that even happen? So I turned on this thing, tested out the functionality of it, make sure it's fully working as it should, and now I'm gonna start breaking it down to get it cleaned up. Alright guys, now I have everything taken apart and fully cleaned. All the dust is out from everywhere, every nook and cranny. And I even went ahead and replaced the thermal pads on this, so that way that will be guaranteed to be functioning no matter what. Let me get this thing back together so that way I can show you the finished result. But what I did is not finish the outside, so that way I can do a comparison video for you of the outside fully clean and when it's still dirty. Fully reassembled again. As you can see, we've got the USB ports fully cleaned out. Around here on the side, definitely no more dust at all. And as we go around back, no more dust in that Ethernet port at all. And there we have it, a fully cleaned PS4 original. Everything fully detailed outside and in, so that way this console will last many, many more years. So if you guys are interested in this type of cleaning for your console, it's only $40. And again, that's everything included. Thermal paste, thermal pads, and a full detail in and out. If you want to see the full teardown of a console like this, go ahead and check out some of my other videos where I actually break down a 360 and a PS4. If you haven't already, make sure you follow my business page, Mike Likes That, on Facebook, like this video, and comment down below tagging somebody that you think needs a console cleaned. And like always, I gotta get out of here and get on to the next cleaning.